Let's go. Did not go to the gym today because had a busy day. Feeling very weak. Okay. So I did stacks yesterday. I didn't do these questions. I just checked off the hard because I don't want to do the hard questions. Because I don't think they'll ask them for. Yeah, takes too long. Okay. Oh. Yeah. What'd you send me? Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Why is it so big? Bro, I can't. Okay. No, the my screen. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT to explain each of them. Okay. Can you see my screen? Yeah. If the duplicates aren't allowed, can you sort it and then can you just do like can you just sort it and then make a set? Okay. 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 Non-decreasing means increasing and non-increasing means decreasing. Okay. With duplicates? Wait, what is that? What does that mean? Oh, okay. And but increasing and decreasing normally don't have duplicates? Or oh, okay. Okay. So should I take notes on all these sorts or should I Should I just? Oh, what's your friend's name? Is he also trying to crack big tech or? Oh no. What is it called? NIT? NIT jump set? Oh, okay. Wow. This is the best school in India? I thought it was the Bombay. Oh yeah, I thought it was IIT. So, dude, I heard IIT and IIT percentage is like 0.05% or something. It's really low, right? Did you add him as a friend? You have to add him as a friend first. So you remember how I gave you my username? Just give him your username is this, Sanjug, right? So just give him that, and and he should be able to add you, or you can add him, but you need to get his username. Yeah, yeah, it's okay. It's everything new technology is always a little confusing. Just like this sort is gonna be confusing for me because I don't know anything about it. Okay. Um, you can click the add friends to DM. So go to our messages, click add friends to DM. Yeah. Okay. Hello? Okay. Okay. Is he gonna talk or is he just gonna stay muted? Oh, his he's muted on the Discord. That's funny. Yeah. Don't worry, Mayank. I'm friendly. I'm friendly. Very nice. Oh, network issue. Okay, okay. Yes, that's what they all say, Mayank. I'm just kidding. Okay. Um, yeah, yes, I can. Um, is he a student? Yeah, I don't know any of this stuff. Okay, you see my screen? Okay, okay. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. 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 Okay, and then so after this goes all the way to here, you have to do it again from here? Or okay, right. Okay. We so if n was 7, so if it was size 7, we had to do it 7 times? Oh, yeah, because the last element left will already be the min, right? So da 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 done, and then starting here, da 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 done, and then da 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 done done, and then so wait, so that's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then this is already sorted, right? Yeah, I'm saying that on the 6th pass, this the second or the first index would be sorted, right? And then so that means that we don't have to sort on the 6th. So first pass, second pass, third pass, fourth pass, fifth pass, and then 6th. So this is already sorted on the 6th. Okay. Um, I might be able to. Okay, so okay, okay. So I'll just do like I'll traverse through the array. Okay. So so actually if nums at I is less or is greater than we're doing increasing order, right? So nums at I plus 1, we can swap, so we'll swap. What is okay, let me just Google. A equals B equals B equals A. So I could just do nums at I nums at I plus 1 equals nums at I plus 1 nums. Oh, that's a I. My bad. Nums at I. Okay. So if it's greater than, we're gonna swap these two indexes, and then, or would it? Okay. 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 um. Okay. So I'm looping through each element. Um. If at index 0 it's greater than, then we're gonna do a swap, and then go to the next one. Okay, so this will just run once, right? It'll bring it'll do one iteration, but we want to figure out how to do the entire thing. Um, Maybe we should. So we gotta store the last. Um, maybe. Okay, this is probably not right, but maybe we can store length of nums and then um, subtract one from that uh, each iteration, um, and then I guess you could iterate until n. Uh, wait, no, it's not right. Okay, my answer for int I equals 0. Okay, so swap comes at j plus 1. J. Oh, so is that right? Yeah, I just copied. Okay. Because we I got it. It's cause the last element is sorted, so based off how far we are, um, in our, um, how many times we did bubble sort, we can subtract the current index. Um, Wait, was I right? Sanjug, because the last element is sorted. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I meant. Sanjug, why do we subtract 1? Like this? Do I have to store this? I have to store if it's swapped or not? Oh, this one? This is the so they're the same thing, but yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is just this, right? Okay. And okay. Return, let's return nums. Um, okay. Okay. Let me clear the syntax errors. Okay. Okay. So each of these is a pass, right? Oh, this whole thing is an iteration. Okay, so this is just okay. Yeah, that's what I meant. Second iteration. Okay, so now we have 1 and 2 swapped, right? And then we have um so 2 and 3, so that stay the same, and that also stays the same. We already know actually that the last one is sorted, and then we know 3 is sorted, so we just actually from here, since we already know it's sorted, you don't have to go all the way to the end. You can just do 1, 2, 3, 5. And then now we know 2 is sorted, so that's done actually. Wait, yeah, so that's done. So 3 total iterations. We know the last one is sorted. Oh, oh, I'm just doing the Bulbasaur. I'm not even looking at the code. Okay. What is the syntax here? Um, okay, let me check the code. So for J in range, so search from here. Yeah. I just uh, yeah, I honestly was just I just coded the inner loop first and I started with I, so I was just too lazy to change it. Um, yeah. Yeah, I know, I know. I don't know why I did that. I just did this first, so yeah, I get the intuition. Okay, so pretty much, we want to replicate the bubble sort um, that we saw earlier, right? So we're gonna have n minus one total iterations, total passes, which is why we use this. For example, in this array or in this list, we have 4 elements, right? 5, 2, 3, and 1, and we end up having 3 iterations. So because we have 4 elements, and we see that we only need to have 3 total iterations, we can have a total of n minus one total runs, right? So if we actually like do look at this example, 5, 2, 3, 1. Okay, first thing we do is we look at 2 and 5. So we look at 5 and 2. Since 5 is greater than 2, we're gonna swap it. So we're gonna perform this. So since index at 0 is greater than index at a 0 plus 1, which is 1. We're gonna swap, and now we're at index 1, right? So now we're at 5, and we're gonna compare 5 with the second index. So since we're at index 1, we want to compare it with index 1 plus 1. And then we're gonna compare 5 with 3, and because 5 is greater than 3, we perform the swap. So you see that um, we swap the 5 and the 3 here because the 5 was at the index 1, and then we do that for the until the end. So we do 5 compared with the 1, and then we have this in the first iteration, and then if we keep doing that, we'll see that we don't have to perform the swap on the last one. We don't have to perform the swap on 3 and 5 because we just found out that 5 is the greatest element. So because we know 5 is it because the first pass gives us the largest element, we don't have to compare the largest element. Um, and after the second iteration, we don't have to compare the two largest elements because we just got the second biggest number. And by the third iteration, we don't have to compare the um, the third to last element because we have the third largest number, and that gives us just one element left. So we have a total of n minus 1 iterations, so 4 minus 1 iterations, which is 3, which gives us our final sorted list over here. Does that make sense? Yeah. If the so you're, so if the array was already sorted, how can we sort it with bubble sort, or how can we just make a better sort? Yeah. Um, I guess we can possibly track the uh, number of swaps made, and if there are no swaps, well, actually, oh, really? Oh, okay. Um, so if there's, yeah, yeah, I saw that. Okay, so where was that? Was that uh, yes. Um, how can we? So if it's this, then wait. Swap this equals true. Uh huh. Wait, that's not right. If swap, yeah. Oh, I just messed up my indentation. Okay. Like array is sorted or nums is sorted. I don't. We could just return nums, maybe. But but if you do this if statement after the for loop, doesn't this entire thing doesn't it already conduct the entire? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Okay. Yeah, that's what I didn't get. Okay. There we go. So something like that, right? Right. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe a network error. Maybe because I'm streaming. Oh. Mm-hmm. Wait, why don't we need to check 3? Right, right, right. Yeah, okay. So we wanna check up until 1 and 2. So oh, I think it's maybe because I assign it to false, so not makes it true. So I'll just do oops. Alright, uh, um, I don't know. Okay. Wait, so this part? Like here? Oh. Oh, right. Okay. Okay. But it still gives you this? Oh, because this question it needs something else. What's a different sort? Hmm. This is n squared. Unlo Yeah. Well, each pass. I thought it would be like. Wait. All right. Yeah. Is this one selection sort? Oh, these are all. Oh, and it's, uh-huh. 34. -34. Okay. 2. Oh, and then you compare that with -11, and it doesn't, you don't solve it 'cause, -11 is smaller? Mm. Okay, so bubble sort, we're bringing uh, the maximum value, to the end, but for selection, we're finding the minimum values to the front. Okay. I can't imagine that they're too different in terms of time complexity. Aren't they both n squared? Right, they're both n squared. Okay. So so they both do the same thing though, right? They just find it in ascending order. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you wanted to find the if you wanted to do Bulbasaur in descending order, we could do that, right? We would just fi okay, so okay. 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 And this code to do decreasing or to do the selection sort? Okay. Yeah, I could do that. Let's just remove this real quick. So there's I wanna okay. So for J in range, length of nose. Okay, I got it. Okay, so I have nums at j. Here I'm just gonna say compare one those nums at j, and I want to find yeah. So I want to find my minimum from j j from okay. Okay, so how can we find the minimum value without, can we use, yeah, how can we find, okay. Bro, it's getting late, bro. It's my bedtime. You know. Okay. Okay, wait. All right. So, all right. Let me just get this straight. All right. So, yeah, we have 5, 2, 3, 1. Let's look at this. So 5, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Um, after the first pass, all right. Let me lock in. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. How do we find the minimum though? Like, how do we just do? Do we just find like? Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Right. Wait. Each comparison. Wait, you said each comparison will compared with I thought you find the minimum first and then compare with I. With J and J minus yeah, 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 okay. Because that's I, right? Okay, yeah. So, um, I got it. Bing. Okay, so let me go over this. So starting from index 0, starting from 5. So let me change this to minimum index so I don't get confused. So this stores the index of the minimum. Okay, so starting from 2 and going until 1, if nums at j is less than nums at 5, or nums at 0, which is 5, we're going to replace it, and our new minimum is going to be 1, or index 1. So we're going to keep doing that for j in okay, for what? Okay. Okay. All right. So we're storing index 0 and index 0. Wait, so if nums at j is less than, then we swap, and then, or no, we don't swap. We store the new minimum index, which is going to be 1. Now we do from 2. 2 and 3, or from 3 and 1. Okay, if minimum index does not equal to I, which is 5, which is currently 0. So our minimum index after this first iteration is going to be 3. So since it's 3, since 3 is not equal to 0, we are going to swap the indices, and nums at I will be equal to so now we will have 1, 2, 3, 5 up to the first iteration. Then second iteration will have 1, another 2, 2, 3, 5. We don't swap, and then we don't swap for the third, and we don't swap the last one. So yeah, this should work. Okay. Oh my god, why did it take so long? I was so stupid. Oh shit. Like we can just perform the swap regardless, or if we don't get any element, that means it will not come on the outside. Well, what if the minimum index, like you're nums at j. I was thinking that it will find the minimum. Oh wait, here. Oh yeah, because it starts at I+1. So the minimum index could never be. Well, what if no, what if we don't perform we never change this. No, like what if nums at j is never smaller is never less than nums at 0. Oh, okay. But then we shouldn't perform the swap, right? No, I'm saying if but it won't. Okay. 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 I got it. I got it. All right. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Mhm. Uh-huh. I think I need a visual. What? I swear this is yeah, that's what I thought. This is not insertion sort, right? Oh, this is insertion sort, but the other one, this one? Okay, one second. Ah, okay. So, it, what's three? Uh, I- oh, watch three. Okay. I thought you said what? I thought you said what is three? I was like a number. Okay, yeah, I get it. So you compare until it's not less than nums at I minus one. Okay. All right. I could do that right now. So we start at the first element, right? And we assume from the one below it. While J, I thought we keep. What are we? Which one? We're doing insertion, right? Insertion sort. So one less than three, and then we have this. Then Okay. If nums at I is less than nums at like 0 or nums at I minus 1, um, swap those two. Oh shit. Nums at minus 1 and swap nums at I. Okay. Oh, what the? What am I doing? I think I'm falling asleep on this. Okay. All right. So swap. Um, is it another for loop inside here? Wait. So is this still 1 or? Okay. Reverse order? Yes. 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 Nums at I. Nums at J. Nums at I. Wait. If nums at J is less than, then we want J to be where I is and nums to be where J is. Okay. Now, how can we keep swapping until um n times of those n times of what? Wait, I feel like you could do a while loop though. But you could, right? Like while it's oh, okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's a good way to look at it. Um so this is the first swap. How can how can I keep swapping? Mm, without doing a while loop. Okay. Okay. Start at 1 here. What? And what is it? What is it? Oh, the condition. Uh, I just forgot what it was. Um, oh, we gotta go until we gotta decrement. Okay. Oh, oh, why did I submit it? I should have just ran it. Okay. I think oh, it's wrong. Uh, oh, it's just because of this. Ah, there we go. I didn't swap it right. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, but okay. I gotta like write these down. Let me like put these in my thing. Bro, I'm so tired. Oh. One more. I'm at 1%, Sanjung. Okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right, we'll do it. We'll do it. We'll do it. All right. All right. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. If you explain like that in the interview is over. It's over. Um, no. Like, what, the middle index or middle of the array? The index or the value? Oh, I can see what's happening. Alright, we just split the array until, it's either 1 or 2, until it's a single element, or if oh, yeah, until there's 2 single elements being compared, and we compare those 2 elements, and then we swap them depending on what's lower, and then wait, how do we put this in the middle of this? How do we put 27 and 38 in the middle of 10 and 43? Yes, length divided by 2. Yes. 0 to nums at length divided by 2, and nums at length divided by 2 to nums length. Right. If it's yes, nums at length, yeah, just keep dividing by 2, right? Okay. Yes. Uh, Code it? Code it from scratch without without ever looking at it, without no pseudocode. I could do it with pseudocode. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Uh, okay. Um, okay. Bro, I can't do this. Bro, I don't know. Okay. Okay. Bro, I think I'm too tired though. Oh shoot. It's almost 1 a.m. for me. Bro, I think I might have to do the merge sort tomorrow, bro. Bro, my eyes are feeling quite heavy, bro.